She is feeding herself yogurt with minimal assistance from Mom. She knows where her mouth hole is.
Try again, get the rest. But you have more, get the rest. Good girl. More?
Gosh, that's a lot. Good job. There you go.
Here, clean it up. More?
All right, say bye, everybody.